With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Okay, so the question says a 16 kg block moving on a frictionless horizontal surface with a velocity of 4 meter per second compresses an ideal spring and comes to rest. If the force constant of the spring be 100 Newton per meter, then how much is the spring compressed? Okay, so first of all, let's draw a figure over here to give us a better understanding. Okay, this is the horizontal surface. Okay, this is the horizontal surface. Let's draw another figure. Okay, these are two horizontal surfaces. Okay, now let's draw a block over here. So this is the block. Okay, initially it is at this position. Okay, and finally it comes at this position. Okay, so initially there was a spring over here. Okay, initially we can draw a spring over here, and now this spring is compressed. Okay, mass is m, and it is moving with what? 4 meter per second. This is given in the question. Okay, so uh, it this was the initial position and this is the final position. Okay, and this distance is x. Okay, and finally it stops as it is given in the question. It comes to rest. Okay, so first of all, the first thing that we shall do is we will there is no motion in the y direction. Okay, there is no motion in the y direction, so we can here we can assume it to be n is equal to mg, because no motion in y direction. Okay, now the spring constant is k. Okay, so here we can see that there is a conservative force. Okay, so delta me mechanical energy should be equal to 0. Okay, so it comes out to be delta ke plus delta pe is equal to 0. Okay, the change in mechanical energy should be 0, so that comes out to be change in kinetic energy plus change in potential energy should be equal to 0. Okay, so let's write it further. The change in kinetic energy can be written as half m, the final position velocity is 0, 0 square, plus half m initially it was 4, 4 square. Okay, now let's talk about the potential energy. It is half kx square at the final position. Okay, and minus half k 0 square. Okay, because it moved x distance. Okay, will be equal to 0. Now both of these terms will turn out to be 0, this term and this term. So these two terms are remaining. Okay, sorry, there will be a minus over here. Okay, this will be minus. Okay, final minus initial, final minus initial. So it will come out to be half kx square is equal to half m into 4 ka square 16. Okay, so this 2 and 2 cancels out. Now further the value of k is given to be 100 in the question. Okay, so 100 x square is equal to 16m. Okay, now the mass is also given to be 16. So we will write 100 x square is equal to 16 multiplied by 16. Now x square comes to be 256 upon 100. Okay, so furthermore x will come out to be under root 256 upon 100, that will come out to be 16 upon 10, that is 1.6. So the distance moved by the block is 1.6 meter. The correct answer is 1.6 meter. Option number 2 is correct.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.